Welcome to my channel. This is TGB and today we have Jazz. So in this video, I'll be doing my sister's hair. Right now her hair is currently down. But before I do anything with her hair, let me go ahead and give you an overview with the product that I'm going to be using. So we have here the new Sutra Blowout styling bundle, which I got this Christmas because it was on sale. So usually this product retails for $310. I got it from Macy's. I got it on sale for $150 plus tax.
Wow.
And in this box, it includes so huge the following. We have here the conditioner, the shampoo, we have straightener, the curling wand, and hair serum, which I'm going to use after we do your hair. And we're going to be using the Sutra 2-in-1 hair dryer slash volumizer.
So it's 360.
Yes, that's the good thing about these products.
Wow.
The cord, it's with cord, but it's 360, so you won't have to worry about moving around so much. And it comes with 2 clips.
Okay.
And the heat bag when you're done with the product. And it also comes with gloves.
Wow.
Very important because if you're going to use the wand, and just a safety card and additional discount codes. So we won't be using the other products because today we're going to be focusing on the 2-in-1 volumizing slash hair dryer. And we're going to see how it goes with TGB's hair. TGB has medium to long hair. So we're going to be checking that out. And let's do it. Actually, I want to talk about the product because I'm going to be doing a review on the Revlon and the Lash 2-in-1 volumizing hair product as well. They're the same, but I want to show you the heat settings on this one is actually the same. However, instead of cool for the air, instead of cool, it says air for this certain product, the Sutra. So it has high, low, air, and off. So we're gonna check it out. And it's still ceramic, has bristles, same style, and this one's in gray. And again, 360 cord, so you won't have to worry about moving around too much. And the handle is a bit thick. It's a little bit intimidating, but it's very easy to work with. Very convenient and lightweight. Darling. Alrighty, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
So this is my normal hair. I just took shower 5 minutes ago and still a little bit wet.
Okay, so first we're gonna start by brushing the hair. I'm gonna be using my wet brush in a rectangle shape to detangle Bestie's hair.
Any type of brush, right?
Any type of brush, but I do recommend wet brush, especially when your hair is damp, wet, because it does the job of detangling the hair.
Maybe you want me to turn around, huh? Like that. Can you check out the camera?
Let's see. And I'm gonna want to start with the high setting. And once I am satisfied with how volumized her hair is, I'm gonna move on to low air, and that way it will set the style. And you wanna start with the bottom underneath the hair, that way it creates the volume. And you wanna hold 2 to 3 seconds, and you pull it farther down, and just like that. the bottom.
Wow.
And I'm using the air setting right now to set the style.
Air fryer.
That will work with the hair too.
Wow.
Let's see how it looks. Let's have Bestie move forward. Can you turn around?
Okay, I'll move forward.
More.
So that's how it looks like right now. So it has that wave.
Oh.
Now we're gonna undo.
So do you really need to make it wave at the
Not really.
bottom?
It's it depends on how you want it to be, but
See?
the
Oh wow.
the
Look,
product is designed to
it
add
stays.
volume as well as blow dry the hair.
I love it. Look, it stays. The wave stays even if you keep pulling it down. Wow. Hi, Lily. Oh no. Oh my god, we have an extra girl here. Say something, Lele.
If you want to subscribe, if you want to click the video, subscribe to the channel and we subscribe channel. Bye bye, please.
You don't have to say bye-bye yet. We're still on the camera.
Me.
She's still...
You wanna turn around?
Third.
Come to this hair, yeah.
PJ's hair.
Are you?
I was home and I.
I think Laura is taking over your channel, Bestie. You're gonna read a storybook. Because it's taking forever. Let me have an advertisement. Excuse me. Go ahead.
Every time you have to do is move and around the way.
So the good thing about this too is you can actually use
You want me to
the brush.
put this right there?
Sure. I'm gonna show you a little trick.
Whoa. Trick? I guess I need to do a bang. A bang.
I don't think so. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up a section of hair, just like that.
Ang bango-bango ng hair.
We are going to.
You want me to go down a little bit? Hi there, Sue.
So what I like to do once I've already finished close to the root, I like to grab 2 inches back and have a grip to it, and I work with the brush and tug on it. That way I'm not actually pulling the roots of the hair, rather I'm just pulling the part of the hair. That way you won't have such a headache. The hair is actually already dried. I'm gonna go in with it's a Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. What it does is that it's gonna help with the freeze, and then it's gonna tame.
Protect.
No, not protect. It's gonna tame all the flyaways, and it will make it look better and a lot silkier. 3 pumps, rub them together. Start with the end because I don't want the hair like close to the root to be very shiny, and this one smells so good.
Already smelling my hair.
Massage it in.
Wow.
And kind of lift the roots of the hair. We are almost through. So now we are gonna move on to the air setting. Alright, so I think we are done with the blow drying / volumizing the hair. What do you think about it, Bestie?
Well, I feel like coming up from fresh out from the salon. It's so light and it looks like I just got a hair treatment. Wow.
Wow!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful!
Wow, thank you, Jess. All right, besties, so hope you guys learned something today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. All right, besties, please. Until next time.